Hi, in this video lesson, we're going to do a common type of problem that comes from Algebra 1, which is writing linear equations that come from a real-world situation. So let's read the problem together. Samantha buys concert tickets and pays a total of $374.50 for two adult tickets and for four child tickets. One adult ticket costs $6.50 more than one child ticket. Let little c represent the price for a child's ticket. Which equation represents the situation and what is the price for each type of ticket? Okay, so we're going to approach this from an open-ended type of problem. You may see this in a multiple choice, but the setup should be the same. First things first, let's take a look at everything that they've given us. They have told us that the total price for all the tickets is $374.50. So this is the total price or the total cost. Another thing that they tell us is they tell us how many tickets of each type. We're having two adult and four child tickets. Another crucial piece of information is that they're telling us that adult tickets cost more than children's tickets. In fact, adult tickets are $6.50 more than a child's ticket. So how do we set this up? I like to start off by first of all writing an equation that is more English than it is algebra. So I know that the total cost is made up of two parts. How much comes from the adults and how much comes from the child's tickets. So it's going to be the how many adult tickets, so the number of adult tickets, and then that gets multiplied by how much each adult ticket is. The cost of an adult ticket. And this here just represents just how much would be if we only had adults. And then we have to do the same thing for the children's tickets. So it's the number of child tickets and then the cost of a child's ticket. Okay, so you may want to start off by first of all reasoning your way and writing something down in English that represents what is being stated in the problem. Okay, the next thing is you're going to want to take any variables that have been identified for you. So they tell us that C is going to represent the price of a child's ticket. Do we happen to know how much or something that represents the price of an adult ticket? Well, it says that the adult ticket is $6.50 more. So for an adult ticket, it would be $6.50 plus C. Now we have enough information to go ahead and plug into our equation. So now on the next step, do we know what the total cost is? Yes, we do. So let's go and substitute in what we know. The total cost is $374.50. Do we know how many adult tickets are sold? Yes, two of them. Do we know what the cost of an adult ticket is? Well, we don't know what it is in dollars and cents, but we have an expression. It's $6.50 plus C. We continue. The number of child tickets, 4 of them. And do we know what the cost of a child's ticket is? Well, not in dollars and cents, but we have it as an expression or variable. It's C. Now we have a linear equation that only has one variable. It has the variable C, and we need to solve this. So let's go ahead and solve this linear equation, which is in standard form. So what we'll do is, in the first thing is we'll distribute the number 2 through the parentheses. 2 times 650 is $13, and 2 times C is 2C. And then the next part, 4 times C, is nothing more than 4C. The next step is we need to combine like terms. 2C plus 4C is 6C. And now we'll go and solve for C by subtracting 13. And we're going to end up getting a result when we subtract $13. So it's $361.50. And then last step to solve for C is we'll divide both sides by 6. So we get C is equal to, after you divide that, we get that to be equal to $60.25. Now what we just found is the price of a child's ticket. Now we need to find out what the price of an adult's ticket is, which I'm going to call A for adults. Well, that's going to be, according to the problem, $6.50 more than a child's ticket. So we'll go ahead and add that back on, and we get that the adult's ticket is going to be $66.75. What I recommend, and we're done with this part, but what I recommend is that you check to see if it checks out. If we were to take $66.75 and multiply it by 2 adult tickets, and you were to take the child's price of $6.25 and multiply it by 4 child's tickets, will it give us the price that the problem once said that it was $374.50? And that's a good way to check and make sure that your answer is correct. And this is an example of how to write a linear equation from a real world situation. Set it up, write the equation, and solve it and check it.